Good morning, guys. It's gonna be a great day today. This is not how I wanted to start my day off, by being stuck in traffic, but got my itinerary here lined out so we can hit these yard sales in order and try to get there and get some of the good stuff first. So anyway, it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Let's do this.
Hello and welcome to the Thrifty Pickerz. My name is Trent. This is my wife, Brooke. We have two amazing kiddos named Tori and Ty, and we're the Hells. We go from yard sales to thrift stores and everything in between. So tag along with us on this epic adventure and see just how we turn everyday yard sales into money in the bank. You too can be a thrifty picker. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's get this party started right now.
Make sure we have our masks on, be safe. Good morning. How are you doing this morning? Man, that's good. Yeah, subscribe to our channel. And usually it's my wife and my kids that come with me. Right. But my father-in-law just got out of the hospital, so they're with him this morning. So, Toastmaster. Is that like a mini crock pot? How much were you asking on this one?
To be honest, maybe $3 or $5.
Oh, 10?
10, no, let's make it 5.
You want to do 5 on it?
Yeah,
Yeah. I'll give you 5 for it for sure.
okay.
Okay, so what are my total?
So I've got 3, 1850.
Here, let's just do 20.
Flat,
Yep.
and
So,
thank
yeah.
you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks,
Like I said, just if easiest way to get me back is have a yard sale,
Yes.
and I'll show up. Well, I appreciate it, and good luck on your yard sale.
Thank you very much.
Well, guys, we found us an estate sale, so we'll go in here and check this out and see what they got good. Do you know if they had any electronics, like old VCRs or anything like that?
Let me ask my daughter, because she works here a little bit more than I do.
Okay. Okay, thank you. DirecTV 825-500. This don't have a price. So how much would you do for all this stuff?
Whole box I'll do $4 about this whole box.
All right. I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. You got me figured up?
$23.
Yeah, this is mine. $23.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right. There's 20 of it. Let me see if I got $3. Yes, I do. Looky there. Awesome. All right, I appreciate it. Oh. Every day that I live, I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning, or I lay my head to rest, I am blessed. I am blessed. Onward and upward to the next one. Good morning. Good morning.
Hey, you're back.
I am. I seen you was having another yard sale, and I thought, well, let me go see. Battery died on my camera, so we're gonna do round 2. See what else we got. That's the phone. That's the base. That's the other phone. Power adapter. Well, I got to looking, and that's all I got left. So I better quit looking.
Okay, I like you a lot. You're pretty cool.
So.
Wait, who said he was our cousin?
Yes, ma'am. But anyway, I appreciate it.
Okay, have a good day.
Yes, ma'am. Good luck on y'all's yard sale.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we found another estate sale. So let's go see. Well, guys, we're leaving this estate sale. They were just too high on their prices, so we aren't going to be able to buy nothing from them. It was worth going in, I guess, just to see if we could get something at a good price, but like I say, they were just a little too high on their prices. I found a DVD player in there that I thought might be pretty good, but she wanted $20 on it, and I looked up the comps, and the comps are only going for $25, so it wouldn't be worth me listing and putting it on eBay. So anyway, that's how it is. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Most of the time we get lucky though, and we do pretty good. We'll find good stuff. It's not just little things. I mean, I look for everything just to see what all we can find. I mean, you never know until you go look. And if you don't know, then look it up, because that's the best way to find out if it's worth, if it has a value. There's a lot of stuff that I look at that I don't know if it's worth anything or not, but just from experience, like the Lego stuff, I bought that Lego bucket. It was $1. If it's not worth anything, if I can't find any comps or anything for it, then I'm only out $1. But I need to put this on though. Yes, I need to remember to wear my seatbelt at all times. I sometimes forget, but anyway, if you don't know the value of something, then look it up. There's a lot of stuff to make money on. You just got to know what you're looking for and get lucky and see the right product at the right time at the right place, and so for the right price. So anyway, I don't think I'm gonna do a comp on the end of this video, just because you've seen what all I picked up, and as I go through the video, then I'll show you how to do show you what the values of them are. I enjoyed it, y'all. I always enjoy going yard selling with y'all. It's a lot of fun, and I get to meet a lot of cool people, a lot of friendly people. I appreciate it. I thank y'all for tagging along with me. Don't forget to smash that like button for me, and don't forget to smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of content coming out, and we have a lot more coming, so it's gonna be good. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So you're gonna want to stay tuned. So anyway, all right, until next time, remember to be safe, to be honest, and to keep picking.